Okay, you can get this. Hi, fans. We are eating in our backyard right now. Daddy cooked dinner.
No, he didn't.
Cook it na. The beef and with what do you call that? Radish and kangkong.
And
My
banana.
favorite. The
Right?
kangkong.
But
With tomato and okra. My favorite is kangkong.
and banana.
What do you mean banana? Watermelon? Taste na the watermelon mamaya na yan. And then I put sabaw in the rice.
What is one?
And their drink.
Fine.
What are you looking, boy? Go eat the watermelon before I feed you the rice with soup.
It's dripping there.
Oh, take that.
Dripping there.
It's okay. Take the pamuna. It doesn't matter. That's why I let you eat outside. So when you get wet, it's okay.
We can eat.
How's the taste, my boy? It tastes yummy? Very good. You know the watermelon is cheap in Beatrice right now. It's 2 for $6. And it's so yummy and so big.
That means 2
2 for $6. 2 for $6. That means
600.
No.
You take 2 and it's for $6.
that. Yeah. So that means if you divide into 2, $3 each. But you can't buy one, only 2. You have to pay $6.
Then why did you buy 2 watermelons?
Because it should be 2 for $6.
No, you buy 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why? That's not the weight. It's my buboy. Kain na my buboy.
Wait, Mom.
Because I feed you dinner.
Too much.
It doesn't matter. That's the purpose I let you eat outside in the backyard. So you can eat as much as you want. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan mo aaminin? Salamin, salamin, salamin. What is that? I know that.
You know the fans are gonna watch.
Yeah. What are you doing there? The Lego?
Yes.
Start eating na buboy because I will feed you the rice after you eat the fruits. You said you want the fruits first. Salamin, salamin, salamin. I heard a song in YouTube
For my mouth.
and Facebook. That's a very famous song. It's with a dance.
Can I eat another watermelon?
You can eat na, and after that, that's the last one. I feed you na.
No, we eat more.
Kumain na muna, 2 muna, and then you can start eating na rice, and then you continue later.
Wait.
Salamin, salamin, salamin. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan mo aaminin? Are you excited for your cousin birthday, Bibi Dylan? Are you excited?
Yes.
So that's
No
gonna.
first.
Why you said no? You don't wanna go there?
No, go.
When you go there, you hug Dylan and say happy birthday, Baby Dylan.
I'm gonna say Happy Natal.
Happy Natal Day.
What?
Natal Day is another birthday word.
See?
You hope you grow healthy and good boy.
Done this watermelon.
Hope and pray.
I can't fit this.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Papa.
Stop na, anak. I will feed you dinner na.
No.
O, kumain ka na muna ng isa pa, anak. There's a small one. Give that to Flooding.
Finish my watermelons. Yes.
Your daddy cooked this one. You better eat properly.
I don't want to eat that.
I will cut my boy into pieces. Daddy
I
said,
don't want to eat. Mommy said you will cut my boy. Cut my boy. Cut my boy. Just be doing the cut.
cut my boy. I will cut this my boy into pieces.
You first said I will cut my boy. She's going to cut.
When daddy cooked, so yummy. So really yummy. This is my
Mom,
favorite
you're going
food.
to cut
Daddy
Jojo.
cooked.
You're going to cut Jojo. Ah.
Okay, thank you,
My
Lord.
pants is getting wet.
You prayed already, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. You change later.
Dozen.
It doesn't matter. Oh, thank you, Lord.
Ayun, halin. I haven't been wet cooling
You can have time to play next week. You don't have summer camp anymore. You're done for this week.
I know, but I hear her say, stop! Stop! Dude, you could make a sound by saying that.
Sarap naman ng kain ng buboy ni Mary, ha? Min daddy really cook.
Do not go
This boy can eat properly and this girl, oh. Despacito. I have time to video because my work is later pa.
Dude, I'm actually upgraded my thing. Minecraft. Survival mode. And guess what?
Boy.
3 diamonds. I can make both us diamonds. But since you're not here, I can't. And I have a bed for you. Ate.
Bye-bye. Mahiwagang salamin. Kailan mo? Kadapo-dapo naman ng bibiboy na yan.
Can we go now?
Kapreti-preti. Tigilan mo nga ako, ha? Kumain ng maayos. Boy. I don't wanna hear hungry, ha? Your daddy cooked hard. So you can eat proper food and healthy food. Wipe your mouth. Bye-bye. Boy, eat muna so you can eat properly. Shh! Hoy!
Pow!
Can you learn to behave when you eat them to eat so you can eat properly?
See?
Eat this way, meat. Halina dito, ate. Ate, kain na muna. Shh. After you eat, tell them.
They always come.
I took a video yesterday for my chili plant. I'll lose it.
Chili. What's chili?
Chili plant. The spicy plant.
Yeah.
Boboy. Mahiwagang salamin.
What is that?
It's about the mirror in the wall. On the wall. Ate, alin na dito.
Wall?
Mirror on the wall, hanging on the wall. Ate,
Hanging on the roof. Let me go away.
tumigil ka nga muna, kumain ka na muna. Mamaya na yan. Later, di go out after di eat.
Let me go out.
Boboy. At, nandyan si daddy sa taas, ha? Eat muna. Daddy off today. Halina, ate.
Wait.
Kumain ka ng maayos. Shh! Dito ka sa kabila.
Wait, Helen. Melon! Yo, melon.
Kakain na muna. Magpalit ng damit, ha? After you eat. Okay, thank you for saying, excuse me.
I eating, that's why.
Good job, ikaw. That's polite. Being polite. You practice that. Polite is a good word. That means you're showing respect. Mahiwagang salamin. Okay na. Halina, nak.
Auntie.
This is yours.
No, Auntie, don't
Hoy.
tell me. Auntie, it's my turn. Look.
Bilisan mo na. Sit down ka dito, te. Ate!
No.
You can't concentrate, ha? You keep moving while eating, ha? Eh, umupo ka nga dyan ng mga ayos. Pahirapan mo naman ako magpakain. Kumakain ka nga, naglikot-likot ka pa. Ah. Panang